Hi guys, I'm Mohsen. I'm going to introduce you this gadget that I built in my last weekend. My problem for morning was that the ring tune of the mobile phones are when it starts, it is on my nerve. So I decided to uh, build a gadget that at a specified time turn a light on and play the radio. So I ordered some electronical modules from AliExpress, one relay, Raspberry Pi 3 B plus with LCD and one speaker. It's pillow speaker. It don't need any auxiliary power supply, and however the sound isn't too loud, but it's reasonable. So I use this speaker and some Python code for running the alarm. So I'm going to try it now. First of all, I am going to terminal. So it has a config file in the my application. That you can specify multiple alarms with repeat time. So now is 1839. I set it for 1841. And then run my application. So as you see, it's started. It shows the current clock, and in the bottom of it, it has some notifications that said that what time the alarm will be run. So at the specified time, the clock fired the event and the relay start working, and also the speaker start playing Sky Radio, as you say. It's mentioned as notification because the all of the 5 voltage power supplies were occupied by the LCD. So I did a hack and add a wire to LCD socket for using in my relay, and also two other sockets. At that I decreased the size of the socket to be applied easier. It's a brief about this gadget, and I'm going to replace the relay with dimmer and adding something more, and even changing the font However, it is good for a start, but it needs very many changes.